प्रिय साथियों नमस्कार, आप लोगों का हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में बहुत-बहुत स्वागत है। साथियों, आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण टॉपिक लेके आया हूँ, जो लगभग सभी परीक्षाओं में 2-4 क्वेश्चन देखने को मिल ही जाते हैं। तो साथियों, चाहे वो यूपी, टीजीटी, पीजीटी हो, एलटी, जीआईसी हो या जीआईसी लेक्चरर हो, नेट हो, जेआरएफ हो या अन्य स्टेट्स की जो वैकेंसीज होती हैं टीचर से रिलेटेड, उन सभी में इससे 1-2 क्वेश्चन या और भी क्वेश्चन देखने को मिल ही जाते हैं। तो आइए साथियों, हम शुरू करते हैं उस टॉपिक को, जो बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है आप लोगों के लिए। साथियों, Geoffrey Chaucer, the father of English literature. Geoffrey Chaucer, the father of English poetry. Geoffrey Chaucer, the father of English language. Geoffrey Chaucer, the morning star of the Renaissance. Geoffrey Chaucer, the first national poet. Venerable Bede, the father of English learning. Venerable Bede, the father of English history. King Alfred the Great, the father of English prose. Aeschylus, the father of tragedy. Nicholas Schudel, the first English comedy writer. Spencer, the bridge between Renaissance and Reformation. Gutenberg, Gutenberg, the father of printing. William Foxton, father of English press. Francis Bacon, the father of English essay. John Wycliffe, the morning star of the Reformation. Christopher Marlowe, the father of English tragedy. William Shakespeare, Bard of Avon. William Shakespeare, the father of English drama. William Shakespeare, Sweet Swan of Avon. William Shakespeare, the Bard. Robert Burns, the Bard of Ayrshire, Scotland. Robert Burns, the national poet of Scotland. Robert Burns, Ravi. Robert Burns, the Plugman poet. William Dunbar, the Chaucer of Scotland. John Dryden, father of English criticism. William of Newbury, father of historical criticism. John Donne, poet of love. John Donne, metaphysical poet. John Milton, epic poet. John Milton, the great master of words. John Milton, Lady of the Christ College. John Milton, poet of the devils. John Milton, master of the grand style. John Milton, the blind poet of England. Alexander Pope, mock heroic poet. William Wordsworth, the worshipper of nature. Wordsworth, the high priest of nature. William Wordsworth, the poet of nature. William Wordsworth, the lake poet. William Wordsworth, poet of childhood. William Wordsworth, egotistical sublime. Samuel Taylor Coleridge, the poet of supernaturalism. Samuel Taylor Coleridge, opium eater. Coleridge and Wordsworth, the father of romanticism. Wordsworth, Coleridge, Sade, lake poets. Lord Byron, the rebel poet. Percy Bysshe Shelley, the revolutionary poet. Percy Bysshe Shelley, poet of hope and regeneration. John Keats, poet of beauty. John Keats, chameleon poet. William Blake, the mystic poet. Lord Alfred Tennyson, the representative of the Victorian era. George Bernard Shaw, the greatest modern dramatist. George Bernard Shaw, the iconoclast. Jane Austen, anti-romantic in Romantics. Lindley Murray, father of English grammar. James Joyce, father of English stream of consciousness novel. Edgar Allan Poe, father of English mystery play. Edgar Allan Poe, the father of English short story. Henry Fielding, the father of English novel. Samuel Johnson, father of English one-act play. Sigmund Freud, a great psychoanalyst. Robert Frost, the poet of terror. Francisco Petrarch, the father of sonnet, Italian. Francisco Petrarch, the father of humanism. Sir Thomas Yard, the father of English sonnet. Henry Louis Vivian D'Arezzo, the father of Indian Anglican sonnet. William Hazlitt, Critics Critic. Charles Lamb, The Essay of Elia. Arthur Miller, Mulk Raj Anand of America. Edison, The Voice of Feminist Puritanism. Emerson, The Cynic of America. Mother Teresa, The Boon of Heaven. Thomas Nash, Young Juvenile. Thomas Dekker, forerunner of humorist. Homer, the father of epic poetry. Homer, the blind poet. Henry Ibsen, father of modern theatre. Homer, the blind poet. Henry Ibsen, father of modern theatre. Rabindranath Tagore, Indian national poet. नसीम इस्किल, द फादर ऑफ इंडियन इंग्लिश पोइट्री। ये रहा साथियों आप लोगों के लिए वीडियो, जो हमें लगता है कि आप लोगों के लिए बहुत ही हेल्पफुल रहेगा। साथियों आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद इस वीडियो को पूरा देखने के लिए। तब तक के लिए नमस्कार, धन्यवाद दोस्तों।